Okay, welcome back to Round on the Bike's base camp. I have everything is painted, so that's ready to be assembled, and I thought I'd just start with the wheels. And I've been looking online for these tires because these ones are cracked, and this is supposed to be a tubeless tire. This is supposed to be a tube in the tire. This one might be okay, so I'm gonna take everything apart, clean everything up. I might give the rims a spray as well, and then I'm gonna find this one. I find this online. I didn't find this tire, but I found this tire, so we're gonna start with trying to save this one and order a new one of these. So yeah, let's get these tires off if that's possible. That one is going to be tricky. I'm not sure about this one. These are all pretty bad state, to be fair. Not really sure what to do with that. This one does not want to go all the way down. I don't know if I can force it down a little bit more. There we have it. Probably want to get a new one for that. So I'm using this Autosol. I don't know if it's the right thing, but I have used it in the past for stainless and for aluminium or whatever, so I thought I'd just give it a go and hope for the best. So I think these rims came out quite nicely. I'm not going to paint them. I think they look good like they are. So, and also, even if I do paint them, it'll take a week, and that, you know, spray paint will just be damaged and look really shit. So I'm going to leave them like this, I think it looks good, and now they're clean and nice. I just need to get a new front tire, which I already know where to buy from online, so that's not a problem. Right, I'm going to leave that there for now, and I think I will start a little bit with reassembling the rest of the bike. Right, so I got some nice grease from Halfords that I'm now greasing up the axle for the swing arm. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but this is how I do it. Just to clarify, I have no idea what I'm doing here. I have also given the chain a good clean so that I can now put that in place. I can't find a break in the chain, so I suppose they just make them the right length, send them off. I don't know, but this is how it's going to be now. So I put some grease on this thing as well. Not as much, because I think I overdid it a little bit for the other one. But this has now all been cleaned and it's nice and shiny, polished. Right, nice. I'll just put these ones back on so I don't lose them. Cool. I'm not doing them too tight just yet, because we need to adjust them probably. Let's have a look at the fork then. This looks pretty nice, I think. This matte black from Halfords, nothing special, just a normal spray can. Question is, I suppose, how long will it last after when it starts being used out and you ride it in, you know, all the fields, and I don't know how long it will last, but at least it looks good now. Very cool. Let's put them on. putting the shock absorber back on, and I think that's going to be it for today, because I have some other things I need to do as well. So I think this will be it, and I shall see you next time.
I hope you liked this episode, and if you didn't, please share it with someone who might. But if you did, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the little bell symbol for notifications. If you want to become a part of the Around on a Bike community, get early access to my videos, your name in the end credit, a bunch of my stickers and other perks. Join the channel or become a patron. Links in the description below.